This Boeing aircraft experiences a wingtip collision while attempting to land, prompting a decision to execute a go-around. This Boeing turns on its right side engine for the first time after getting a completely new engine. This Boeing has to make another attempt at landing after a rough touchdown. Can someone explain what is happening here? This Boeing bounces significantly when landing in challenging crosswind conditions. After landing on a grass runway, this small plane crashes into an emergency vehicle.
3 vectors, parallel runways, grass and seal. Lovely touchdown there by Arthur Davey, our local pilot in the Yak 3. Ran through, that's not looking good.
These bungee jumpers capture footage of a Boeing freighter taking off below their hot air balloon.
Right below us. It's kind of cool.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you want to see next.